I recently moved from my cozy Pennsylvania apartment to my brand new house that I built myself. As a first-time homeowner, I wanted to document my entire first week in the new house. And in this vlog, we say goodbye to the apartment, settle into the house, have our first guest travel in to stay at the house, and have our first housewarming party. So let's get into this. I have a lot to update you on. I'm gonna bring you guys into the bathroom. Hello. Where do I even start? I moved on Thursday, November 17th. Today is Monday, November 21st, and we're still moving. Moves don't always go as planned, so I'm learning. But basically what happened is that I was supposed to do most of my move on Thursday, the 17th. And they didn't get anywhere near done. And no one could work on the weekends. So I was living in this house without TVs. Not everything was here, so everything in the boxes, I didn't have like storage things to put everything away. Thank God I packed an overnight bag. That's all I'm saying. That was really smart on my end. So I had an idea that I should pack an overnight bag for my first night in the house. This is gonna make things a lot easier. So I also don't feel stressed to like unpack everything to find where everything is. I also felt like my life was like really out of balance. I was trying so hard to like instantly make this feel like home, unboxing everything. And I had really close friends of mine literally tell me like, Nikki, like it's gonna take almost a year to feel settled in. It's gonna take months to unbox. Like you need to just not give up on other aspects of your life just because you're trying to make this feel like home. I'm such an extreme person. If I didn't have friends calling me out on that, I would have just been like in competition with myself, like working myself into the ground to like get this place interior design, get this place done, get it furnished, put everything away. But I realized after spending the weekend inside unpacking, I could have went out and got a drink with friends. I totally could have, but I didn't let myself. I just need to take it easy. Moves are very difficult, moves are very stressful. These vlogs aren't gonna be perfect, but everything is what it is. And all I can do is my best. But anyways, my things have been sitting at my apartment while some of my things have been sitting here. My bedroom was moved to this house and I've been staying here. That's been great. But like my dining room table, my living room, like all that stuff hasn't been moved over yet. Today's the day that I see my empty apartment for the first time. And today's the day I say goodbye to my apartment. I think if I said goodbye on the day I moved out on like the 18th, I think it would have hurt more. This place is quickly starting to feel like home and I think I'm ready today to go see it. It is gonna be really weird. So far, like the vibes in this place have been really good for me. I feel like there's no baggage here. My apartment just has so many memories, like some really good memories, but some really dark memories. Just spending the last like 5 days here, I'm realizing how much the sunlight is making a difference. I didn't realize how dark and small my apartment was. That's why I'm okay with saying bye to it. I'm realizing like your environment affects your mental health, and I really think that like having sun coming in every room has literally made a difference. Yeah, today we are gonna say bye to the apartment and we're gonna finish moving in. All my furniture's coming today and we'll just keep moving. Let me show you guys what I've done so far though. All right guys, we're gonna pause the video. I just wanted to pause the flow of the vlog just so I can show you guys where I've been getting the outfits that I've been wearing in this vlog. I'm happy that I was able to pack everything, like an overnight bag of all my comfy yet cute outfits, because I feel like you guys are always asking in my comments, where do you shop, where do you shop? I actually specifically wore this on TikTok like last week and everyone wanted the details, so I'm giving you guys the details. I feel like it went from fall to winter like overnight. I really struggle with a winter wardrobe. I feel like I go from stylish to just comfy, and this year I wanted to go comfy and stylish and combine it together, and we have a ton of that right here. Everything is purchased from Temu. All of these outfits are super affordable. As I try on everything, I'm gonna have the price and the discount code down here so that way you guys can get a gauge at what costs what and what you guys want to buy. So this is outfit number 1. This actually comes together, this top with this oversized shruggy sweater. Also bought these white leg warmers. I feel like leg warmers are having such a moment right now, and I love that as an East Coast girl because they keep you warm. I've been really into basics lately. Like, I'm not even kidding. I love wearing just like a plain tank with some leg warmers and boots, and I feel ready to go. When I say this is the comfiest basic I've ever owned, it's stretchy and it sits on my body perfectly, and I feel like it's very flattering. And I love to wear these like little kind of tank tops underneath the oversized sweaters that hang off my shoulders, which I've been doing a lot lately. These didn't come together, but I did also buy this. I've been loving neutrals and I've been loving basics. So comfy. This is waffle knit and it falls off the shoulder and it has a little pocket. Speaking of basics, I love the cutouts. And if you guys hear any people, it's people moving right now while I'm filming this. It's a great way to spruce up just like something so plain. This is like a trench coat, but it's made out of fleece. So comfy. There's no specific place this outfit has to be worn. It's like very multi-purpose. And this jacket is perfect for winter. I've been loving the slouchy look lately, and I needed a waffle knit shruggy button down. I don't have enough of these, and I love that it's nude. I think nudes and browns look great and cozy in the wintertime. This is something I would literally wear to the airport. I would wear this on an airplane. This is like black on black greatness. I'd wear this to go ice skating. Last but not least, the holidays are coming up and I saw this on the site. I love green. Emerald is my birthstone and I wanted to try this. It's velvet, it has lace cutouts, and it has a low back, which is so hot. I'm gonna try this on. I'm excited to see how this looks. Ooh, I love the low back. Be sure to download the app, it makes shopping so much easier. All right, so let's get back to the video. Bathroom mirror, this was installed today. I got this on Amazon. I'll link it down below if you want. We got my bedroom. My friend installed the TV for me, thank God, because when I was here, like without TVs, it felt really weird. I literally begged him to just install this TV. My clothes here and here for now. And we moved into the kitchen. My little coffee corner is my favorite. I literally got like teas to put in the Keurig, so at nighttime I'm always making myself some tea over here. Got some candles for the place because it's not a Niki place and it doesn't smell like candles. My dining room table is gonna go right here. My living room, bunch of random stuff. Shall we go to the apartment? Look at my keys. This is so weird. Driving 2 minutes to the apartment. We're so dramatic just to say goodbye. These are probably my packages. This feels weird. Oh my God, it feels like I'm going home. I know. This is... You know what's weird? When I was in the house, I swore I heard the buzzing from the call box. I'm so triggered. I was like, oh, someone's here. No, wait, I don't live there anymore. Haley, is this weird for you too?
Yeah.
Not ready.
Wow.
This is so weird because like it smells homey, and I just want to like when I get home I would just like drop my purse and my jacket and lay on the couch, but there's nothing here. Whoa. Whoa.
End of an era.
What? This can't be the same room. Oh my God, the bathroom. Oh, we're gonna miss this guy. Me just standing in here feels like I have to be like getting in the bath right now or doing my makeup. I didn't expect this orange bathroom to hurt more than any other room. fuck? Haley, this isn't the same apartment.
I still think the next person should keep the...
I think let's petition my apartment building keeps this up. They should not take this down.
And in the kitchen.
And in the kitchen. The brick is so nice. Last time. Can you guys see how sentimental I am? Like this is, I'm exposed. Bye. Thanks for the memory. Alright, I'm supposed to be nice and sentimental. I just fucked it all up. I feel like this is the Friends episode.
When the door closes.
House update. Everything is moved in. Let me show you guys. We got my dining setup moved in. This will have to do for now. I feel like I'm gonna move this green couch to like my office. We are gonna replicate my living room from the apartment up here with the floating media center and the leather couch. This room feels the most like my living room in my apartment, so I'm really excited that we get to replicate it. I do have, I'm gonna show like the bottom of this. This is my closet that I'm not gonna show yet. That's a separate vlog. It's done. We just have to hang stuff up. I do wanna have like a Friendsgiving here, but I don't know how quickly I'm gonna be able to like put together this apartment. Everyone's gonna be in town for the holidays, so I want them to come see my place, but I wanna make it look presentable enough. And I don't know if I should put that stress on me, but I feel like it's low-key worth it because everybody's gonna be in town. And I think a lot of the mess has to start with like mounting things on the wall, which means getting a handyman. I feel like I didn't realize how expensive moving was. Anything that I want hung on the wall is like a 3-hour task, and it's always like a $330 bill just to hang my bathroom mirror. So if I want all these things hung up, if you don't got a boyfriend, you gotta shell out cash. I guess that's moving for you. It's expensive. Things I didn't think to think about that I'm realizing that I wish someone told me in a video or something. So I'm letting you guys know that it gets expensive and it gets really stressful. Good morning, guys. Hello. Today is November 25th, and it is the day after Thanksgiving. And today, I have my first guest coming in town to stay at my house. And I'm excited. That's update number 1. Today we are going to the airport to pick up one of my producers. Her name is Jules. Jules comes in town. Today I'm gonna go pick her up at the airport. Tomorrow night I'm having my first housewarming thing at the new house with all my friends from the area. We're having a charcuterie board night. I saw this on TikTok, but I don't wanna run late. I don't wanna be rude to pick up my first guest staying here. So I'm gonna finish getting ready and then we're gonna go pick up Jules. It is packed. Coming to the airport on Black Friday, day after Thanksgiving. Everybody's traveling. It's a little chaotic. Hello?
Hey, I'm walking out right now. Are you?
Okay, I would just stay because it started moving and now I'm stuck, so just... Oh, I see you, bitch! Ah! Jules, I'm vlogging you. First guest at the house has arrived on these goes. This LA bitch is in Pennsylvania. Let's tell a little bit of a story. How did we meet?
Writing music.
On Zoom.
On Zoom.
In a pandemic.
Yeah.
And we wrote, what song?
When My High Wears Off.
And? Bitch.
City.
City is how we met virtually.
Sorry, I forgot.
Hello guys, update. I am having my first housewarming party. This is what I'm wearing. I've really been into basics lately. I don't know why. Am I growing up? Is this part of growing up? Or is this just like a phase? Is it because it's winter time? Is it a trend right now? But right now I'm wearing this like long sleeve gray top. This is from White Fox. This gray utility skirt is from Jaded London, and that's literally all I'm wearing. It's literally all I'm wearing.